Physical chemistry introduction. Physical chemistry is a very tough subject. In order to pass physical chemistry, pretty much have to memorize science style equations and know how to derive them. And 2, understand key terms and definitions. Step 3, review your calculus. That is calculus 1, 2, 3, 4. And step 4, pretty much common sense and repetition. So we shall begin physical chemistry with calculus review. Example, the dx of a constant is equal to 0. That is a prime is equal to 0. We have e to the x is equals to e to the x equals to e to the x prime is equals to e to the x. That's the derivative of exponents. It's exponents. The x to the n dx is equals to n times x to the n minus 1. Right? So dx a to the s a to the x dx is equals to 1 over x or 1 over x to the x is 1 over x. So going further, du plus uv is equals to du dx plus dv dx. Sorry. This can be written as u prime plus v prime. That's it. The product rule. We have d uv dx. Pretty much the product rule, so I can make an imaginary dot there. So this equals to u dv dx plus du dx or v du dx, or you can write u prime v plus u v prime. Same thing. That's what I'm out whichever way manipulate it. So the ds of a quotient is pretty much computed. So let's say we have d uv dx. Can we read it as u, right? D u v to the negative 1. This can be written as u 1 over v. 1 over v is pretty much v to the negative 1. So you have it down here. ddx is equal to negative u v to the negative 2 dv dx. dv dx. Right? Plus v minus du dx. It's pretty much a little bit complicated, but like I said, with repetition, any part can be solved. So let's take for example x to the 4th e to the x. Differentiate. So pretty much it's a product rule. It's like an imaginary dot here. So we apply the product rule. So we can use u prime v plus u v prime. So let's go. So x to the 4th prime e to the x plus star u x to the fourth e to the x prime. Now, according to the rule, x to the n is equals to n x to the n minus 1. It's a power rule. So this is 4x into 4 minus 1 e to the x plus x to the fourth. The root of e to the x is e to the x. So we now have 4x cubed e to the x plus x to the fourth e to the x. This can be simplified if we factor out e to the x into x to the fourth plus 4x cubed. And this is our answer. So let's do a little more difficult example. So we have g of x is equals to square root of x square root of x minus 2 e to the x. Now first we can simplify this. So x square root of x can be written as x to the 1/2. Now pretty much this is a subtraction rule, right? So take the derivative of each side. This is pretty much the dx of c f of x. Can be written as c dx f of x. This is a constant. So we now have x, sorry. So we now have d dx of x to the 1/2 minus 2 ddx e to the x. So this is pretty much straightforward. So we now have x to the 1/2 minus 2 e to the x. So according to the rule, x to the n is equals to n x to the n minus 1. So now I have 1/2 x to the 1/2 minus 1. So 1/2 minus 1 is equals to 1/2 minus 1 times 2 times 2 is equals to 1/2 minus 2/2, which equals to negative 1/2. That's our answer. So we now have 1/2 x to negative 1/2 minus 2 e to the x. Right? So x to negative 1/2 is already equals to 1/x to 1/2. And x to 1/2 is equals to the square root of x. So we can write this as 1/2 square root of x minus 2 e to the x. Or 1/2 square root of x. Pretty much that's our answer.